Hello, my name is Owen and welcome to my YouTube channel on this beautiful day of life called being alive here on Earth. The mad planet full of crazy but perfect ups and downs and madnesses and light and dark and positive energy and negative energy and all that sort of stuff that you're well aware of, my friends. So in this video I want to talk today about one of the hardest places to get to and to arrive to and to be present with and in is actually here and now, right now, the present moment, because we are brain hardwired to and conditioned to be automatically striving and clinging, looking for and grasping and waiting and anticipating and remembering excessively both the future and the past. So that's why it's very difficult, unless you've been practicing and training yourself and your neurological brain transmitters, everything, to practice and get used to this, to get good at this, to develop the skill, so to speak, just to reprogram yourself, to recondition yourself. So one of the best things you can do to stop the chattering automatic mind is, I'll give you a few tips. So one is to take deep belly breaths in your abdomen, where your chest does not rise, but you feel like it's almost like a balloon, and you just breathe deep. And then you can go to the middle, which is the chest, after the belly. And then finally the clavicle or the throat, and you finally get the last suction, and that can be also called a yogic breath, where you get in 80 to 85, 90% of oxygen, as opposed to a mere 20% from shallow chest breathing. And when we're very stressed, we only even get like a few percent, like 5%. Another way is to slow down and just look and listen. So pay attention sensually to your present moment. And listen. So stop or slow down. Stop, look, listen. Breathe. And if you practice this every day or many days of the week, you will develop the habit of becoming much less stressed in life. You'll let go of the frantic, chaotic and disharmonious energy of rushing, but you can still move fast without rushing, and you get things done better when you're more centered and present also, while you're moving reasonably or pretty fast without the stressful energy of rushing. So life becomes a lot better. After practicing this for a while, you'll notice your mind is more relaxed and calm. You react and get triggered. You react and get triggered less, and you stay centered and peaceful and calm more. So this for me has been life-changing. It's very good for your physical health also, as you will receive more happiness and pleasure from life. You'll also receive more air and oxygen and nutrients from the air, such as prana and even hydrogen. And with less stress, your body and hormonal system will function better, and you will overall be healthier and have more energy. And when you have more energy, you have more manifestation ability, sexual creative energy. because that's what energy is. It's the ability to feel happy and joy for no particular reason, when you're energetic and good in your body and your mind. And when you have a lot of energy, it means you have an impulse to do things and to create and manifest in your life, whether or not it's make a better relationship, or whether or not it's to do work and improve your business, or your purpose or inspiration. And it can be utterly profound and life-changing, as well as creating and manifesting and sculpting the physical body that you wish for in your mind. So everybody, I hope this video has been of help. Thank you for watching. I wish you a beautiful day. And for any consultations or my herb store, Higher Self Herbs, or for one-to-one sessions on any of the topics in this video and so many more, just check out my links or befriend me on Facebook or contact me via my websites below. And I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Thanks for watching and have the most beautiful day ever. The best day ever, everybody. Best day ever.